Cloud download Windows versus local reinstall Windows, which is better? Cloud download and local reinstall are two options available when you reset your Windows 10 or Windows 11 PC. They work a little differently, and each has its upsides and downsides. Here's the difference between the two. Cloud download * downloads a fresh copy of Windows from the Microsoft servers. * This option is essential if your PC system files are corrupted. * It can help you save some time if you have a fast internet connection. * However, it requires an internet connection, so it may not be an option if you have a slow connection or no data plan. * The download size may be large, so it may take some time to complete. Local reinstall * uses the existing system files on your PC to reinstall Windows. * This option is faster than cloud download if you have a fast internet connection. * It does not require an internet connection, so you can use it even if you have a slow connection or no data plan. * However, it may not be able to repair corrupted system files. * You may also lose some of your personal files if you do not back them up before reinstalling Windows. Which one to choose? The best option for you will depend on your specific circumstances. If you have a fast internet connection and your PC system files are not corrupted, you may want to choose cloud download. This option will save you some time and effort. However, if you have a slow internet connection or no data plan, or if your PC system files are corrupted, you may want to choose local reinstall. This option is faster and does not require an internet connection. Here are some additional factors to consider when choosing between cloud download and local reinstall. * Your internet connection speed. * If you have a fast internet connection, cloud download may be a good option for you. However, if you have a slow internet connection, local reinstall may be a better choice. * The size of the download. * The download size for cloud download can be large, so if you have a limited amount of storage space on your PC, local reinstall may be a better option. * The health of your PC. * If your PC system files are corrupted, cloud download may not be able to repair them. In this case, local reinstall may be a better option.